Hello whale traders. Today we have a simpler whale strategy that has potential of giving you very high returns with less risk of loss. So now I have simulate this strategy using replay function manually for 21 trades. Guys, in this channel I don't share what I don't do. So I could only test 21 trades and that were my genuine ones. So out of 21 I got 5 for loss. Still we manage a whooping 76% win rate, resulting in our profit to almost 34k using only 1k, and time period tested was from 24th of January 22 to almost this week, or you can say 8 to 10 February. So this strategy with only 15 to 20 days can generate almost 44% gain. So this is a very powerful strategy, and it is an alternative to regular RSI strategy. No, as it is alternative option, but is similar to RSI, so it can apply to any crypto stocks or forex currency pair. So we are using Bitcoin. The time frame we are using for this strategy is 15 minutes. You can use any time frame for an hour or 30 minutes. So now first step is go to indicator and search for cycle channel oscillator. Now we will use this one, this lazy bear one. So you will click this one. So now we have our indicator set up. Or now let's go for plan. Our plan is we will wait for the red line to cross above, goes into above the oversold region, and making these red bars underneath them. So that is our trigger point for entry of for any trade, like a longer trade or short trade. Here you can see we can open a short trade from here and get a decent profit from this trade. Look how much powerful this strategy is. You can see now we where you can see this is a setup that looks very good, but you will not enter only when this red line enters into the below the one level. So we will enter whenever the red line again cross the green one. So because in live trade that the red one can give you false signal, because it sometimes go below and then again comes back. But once it crosses the green one, we are sure for a confirmation of our trade. So here you can see another signal, and here is cross of both red and green one. So we are confirm about that trade, so we can enter and make a decent profit from that trade. So you can see, remember my point for the live trade, because if you get into only taking the consideration of red line to below the one level, you will probably can get into a false signal. Now you will exit a trade whenever this red comes back to above zero point 0.5 level. Although I will give you in tips section another strategy that you can use for exit signal. You can use both ones, this one and also that one. So now you can see we will do a live demonstration using TradingView replay function. Wait for the red line to go into oversold region, forming these small bars underneath them. Now we will wait for this crossover of red and green. So when this happens, we have a confirmation of a short trade. Now we will place our order of short position and we will place or take profit. So we will wait for the candles. So now you can see there is a reversal, so we will get out of our trade. So because you can see a red line enters back into the zero point 0.5 region, so still you get a 1% gain. So using leverage of 20x you can make that into 20%. Now here, although I in later in the video I will tell you a genuine tip that can give you, that can save you your take profits. So now this we have a oversold signal again, so we will place our position here, short position, and there is a cross between green and red, so we'll wait for this again. So here it crosses again the zero point 0.5 region, so we'll exit our trade. So this strategy of exiting at zero point 0.5 is not good. So I think you should use the strategy that I will tell you in the later section, because I using when I was making this video, I didn't realize that was a strategy. So after in the process of making this video, I thought why not to use that exit strategy, because that was giving us a proper exit trade. So that was using another indicator, so although that comes against our setup. So now let's come to our tip. So that tip is, we will use another indicator that is also a simpler one, that is called Bollinger Band. So now you can see how this Bollinger Band setup will gives us profit and save our profits. Let me tell you, here we have a signal of a short trade, and we will place our short trade from this point. So let me show you. Here you can see we can open a short trade here, and all the way back to the lower band of Bollinger Band. Now whenever the red green candle forms inside the Bollinger Band, we are getting out of our trade. So you can see that we have saved our profits. So because of this Bollinger Band indicator, so you can see now this strategy becomes more powerful using Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands had completed this strategy and give you more confirmation of opening a trade, and also give you an indication of the volatility and also how much momentum your trade will have. So I hope you like today's video. Subscribe to my channel, support my channel. I want to make it #1 trading channel on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Happy trading.